Welcome to the ultimate human body quiz. Test your knowledge and discover fascinating facts about the human body. Are you up for the challenge? Let's dive in and see just how much you really know. And the answer is heart. The heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood throughout the body. It is located in the middle cavity of the chest, between the lungs. In most people, the heart is located on the left side of the chest, beneath the breastbone. And the answer is skin. The 10 largest organs in the body are skin, liver, brain, lungs, heart, kidney, spleen, pancreas, thyroid, and joints. Let us discover interesting information related to the main largest organs in the human body. The skin. Skin is the external largest organ of the human body. And the answer is ear. The smallest bone in the human body is the stapes bone, which is located in the middle ear. The middle ear consists of 3 small bones, malleus, incus, and stapes. Their function is the transmission of sound waves and aid in hearing. Any damage to the stapes or any other middle ear bone leads to hearing loss. And the answer is plasma. Blood is a fluid connective tissue of the body that is responsible for transporting oxygen and carbon dioxide gases from cells of the body. It is composed of RBC, WBC, plasma, and platelets. The liquid part, 55% of blood, is called plasma, which is composed of salts, water, and proteins. And the answer is lungs. Lungs are the primary organs of respiration in humans and other vertebrates. They are located on either side of the heart, in the thoracic cavity of the chest. Anatomically, the lungs are spongy organs with total surface area between 50 to 75 square meters. The primary function of the lungs is to facilitate the exchange of gases between the blood and the air. Interestingly, the right lung is quite bigger and heavier than the left lung. And the answer is 12 pair of ribs. People have 24 ribs, with 12 on each side of the body. There is no evidence to show that there is a difference between males and females. They are strong enough to support the skeleton and protect the vital organs in the chest cavity, including the heart, lungs, and spleen. And the answer is tooth enamel. You might be surprised that the hardest substance in the body is tooth enamel, not your bone. What is tooth enamel? Tooth enamel is the gleaming, protective outer layer that gives their pearly white appearance, but it's far more than a pretty facade. And the answer is kidney. The kidneys are the organs that filter waste from the blood and produce urine. This urine is then passed through the ureters and stored in the urinary bladder. The urine is then expelled from the body through the urethra. And the answer is hemoglobin. Hemoglobin in the blood carries oxygen from the respiratory organs, lungs or gills, to the other tissues of the body, where it releases the oxygen to enable aerobic respiration, which powers the animal's metabolism. And the answer is skull. Brain is protected by a hard, bony box called the cranium or skull. It is covered by three membranes called meninges. It is protected by a fluid-filled balloon, cerebrospinal fluid, which acts as shock absorber.